welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little Aliexpress haul. I've been holding off for doing this haul for a good week now because I just want to get using all this stuff and get it all put away, but things are taking so long to come from Aliexpress at the minute. I just thought I'm going to have to get this one done and out the way. So it's not a big one like usual, guys. It's only a little one, so I won't keep you very long. It'll be a nice short video for you. And some of these items I've ordered back in October, but then there's other items that I only ordered 10 days ago that's turned up. So it's really strange how AliExpress is working at the minute. And you'll see as I go along, I'm going to pop a picture in the top left hand corner of the price that I paid and the store that I bought it from. So let's crack on and I'll show you what I got. So I'm going to start off with the gel paints. And I've already took the foil lids off these so you can see them because they're a nightmare to get these foil lids off. So we've got Venalisa 1623. It's this lovely dark blue. Needs a bit of a mix up. Give it a bit of a stir before I use it. It's a really nice dark blue. And I love these Venalisa gel paints. They're really, really opaque and nice to work with. The only problem is with these gel paints now, guys, I can't seem to find a store to buy them from. There's two stores that I've bought these from now. And both of them, whether they're the same store or not, I don't know. But it seems a bit strange that both of them have put their price up. Not the price, their shipping price to something stupid like £50 odd or something. So I don't know whether you're going to be able to find these anymore. I mean, I can still give you the link if you want the link, but if I do find a store that starts selling these and they're not charging ridiculous shipping, I shall let you know. So that one was 1623. And we've got 1634. It's this dark kind of burgundy kind of purple colour. Really nice colour. I actually bought this for some Christmas designs, but it's only just turned up, so never did get to use that for Christmas. But hey ho, I'm sure I shall find some design for it. Then I ordered 1598, which is a really nice light purple. I really like that colour. It's one of my favourite colours. Nice. Then we got 1597, which is really, really nice Barbie pink. Look at that for a Barbie pink. Again, they just need stirring. You see where it's got that little bit of white in it? It just needs stirring up, that's all. That's a nice Barbie pink. Then the last one is 1620. And that is a really nice baby blue. Really pretty colour. Be gorgeous for some winter nails, that will. And not only are these good for artwork, but you can actually paint full nails with these as well. I've done quite a few designs where I've used them as a full cover colour. And they go on really nice. And then I've got some gel polishes. I've got a couple of these Nailwind Gel Polishes and they're really, really affordable. But they're not bad little gel polishes actually. So we've got this one which is like a kind of taupey sort of colour. You can see they're nice consistency. So we've got that one which is 8041. And another Nailwind colour 8027. Which is like another light purple. Nice colour that is, I like that. They are only small little bottles. They're only 8ml bottles, but they are full. You know, you buy some 8ml bottles and there's probably only 2ml in them, but they are actually full. And then the last Nailwind Gel Polish that I got is 8042. This is like a really nice light grey. Really nice light grey. Look at the thickness on that. It's lovely consistency. Nice and creamy. Nice colour. Can't wait to use that. I really needed to get this Aliexpress all done so I can start using them. Because if I didn't get it done soon, it's going to be the wrong season to be using a lot of these colours, you know. Then I ordered another. I've already got one of these, but I've ordered another one because I use it quite a lot, which is the Gdcoco 820, which is their bright white. And then I ordered, because I really like their white, I thought I'd give the black a try because my black's getting quite low now. I've only got one black gel polish and it's the Coscelia, which I use quite a lot. So I thought I would give the black one a try to see how I get on with that. And that one's 819A. Again, really nice consistency. Very similar to the white actually. But I thought if the white's good, surely the black must be as well. Well, hopefully anyway. And then lastly for the gel polishes, I got a Venalisa. This colour is gorgeous. Super pretty colour. And this colour is 82. 82, 82, 82. And it's a really, really... There, it looks more of like a burgundy sort of colour, but it's actually more of a purple, a shimmery purple. But you'll see on the picture that I've put in the top left-hand corner, the colour, the true colour of it. It is more of like a really deep purple with a shimmer. It's a gorgeous colour. I can't wait to swatch that just to see what colour it does actually come out. I'm hoping it comes out the deep purple. Then I ordered these little butterfly stickers. They're Full Beauty butterfly stickers. And I got these because on Aliexpress, I don't know whether you've seen, but you can actually buy things with your coins. Never been able to buy any of them items where you use so many coins and pay a penny, but I did buy these from the discounted coin discounts, it's called. And I think I paid about 17p for these. So I got that one, that one, that one, and that one. And these are water decals. So I thought they would come in handy. They're quite nice. You haven't got to keep them black. You can always, if you wanted to do a butterfly design, you can always colour them in with gel polish. So I thought that was really handy. For 17p, you can't really go wrong, can you? So I got them. And then I got a Rosalind gold chrome powder, which I've already got one of these, but I've ordered another one because I do use it quite a lot. But you don't get a lot in these. They're so tiny. But you don't need a lot, to be honest. And they're super cheap. Really, really cheap. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it'll be in the picture in the top left-hand corner. But yeah, they're really, really cheap, so I don't mind. And like I say, you don't need a lot of this chrome powder anyway. You need the most tiniest amount. I've even took a little bit out the lid, and I've been able to do a whole nail with what's in the lid. So just shows you how much you need to use. Then lastly, I've ordered some glitters. Now these are the items that turned up in 10 days. I just can't believe how quick they come. And they're gorgeous. So pretty. And they're chameleon. So, first one. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my days. That is so pretty. So you've got all different hexes in there, and you've also got a fine running through it as well, which I like. Look at the colour shift on it. Silver, purple, pink. Oh, it's gorgeous. Can't wait to use that. And they're 10 gram bags as well. £1.60 for a 10 gram bag of glitter. Oh, so cheap. Gorgeous. Love that. Then I got this one, which is like a pink to a gold. I'm not that keen on this one because it's not got much of a colour shift to it. It's pretty, don't get me wrong, it is pretty, but I just don't think it's got much of a colour shift to it. If I mix it up a bit. Yeah, it's just not got much of a colour shift to it for me. And this one, look at the colour shift on this. Blue, purple, blue, purple. It's beautiful. Look at that colour. Yeah. I can't wait to use these in a set. And then the last one, this one's got a really nice colour shift to it as well. And this one is green to purple. Such a pretty colour. Love, love, love. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right guys, that is everything for my little AliExpress haul today. Sorry it's such a short one guys and there's not a lot to show you, but I really needed to get this stuff out because I really want to start using it. Some of these items I've had sat waiting to record for like, beginning of December. Like I said, some of the items I wanted to do Christmas nails with, so yeah, I really wanted to get these out. So, just want to say thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I shall pop the links to the items in the description box below. As you know, a lot of the time with AliExpress, some of these links do disappear, so if there is any that's disappeared, I shan't bother linking them in the description box, but yeah, hopefully they're all still there. It's usually the designer nail items, you know, like the foils and the stamping plates. They're usually the items that get kicked off AliExpress, but usually gel polishes and paints and things, they're usually pretty good. And like I said, if I find a store that's selling the Venalisa gel paints and not charging stupid amount of shipping, I shall let you all know, because I ended up buying some Rosalind gel paint because I couldn't get any of the Venalisa, so we'll see when that turns up. I shall probably do a swatch video on that for you and let you know if it's as good as the Venalisa, then I'll probably just start buying that. But I've not tried the Rosalind, so I don't know what it's like. I'm hoping it's going to be as good as the Venalisa one, then I can just start buying that because it is slightly cheaper and there's no shipping on it either, so when they turn up, I shall let you know. Right guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would. I'm now aiming for my 200 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you would give me a hand with that. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.